Hello, I just want to share my this toolbox that I rigged into a irrigation repair box. I use it to keep irrigation, sprinkler system repair stuff in here. This is what I'll use to restore sprinkler systems with. Got like funny pipe fittings and random pipe fittings. I'm still trying to organize it, but I got spray nozzles, rotor nozzles, and different stuff I can use to do the projects that I need to do. Pipe fittings, and I use this sandpaper as emery cloth. See, I can do anything. This is a spray head pull-up tool. It's got a lot of stuff that I use. Got stuff like these that I can probably reuse. More pipe fittings. This is gonna work for another. Yeah, this is a shut-off valve, but probably not for a sprinkler system, but this is mainly for like the inside the house kind of thing like that. This right here removes risers and stuff like that that are broken. This is probably worn out, but this is that Christie's purple, the hot blue glue. I also have purple primer too in here. It's probably, I don't know where it's at, but I keep that. I always try to keep that in here too. Yeah, I'm trying to organize it, so, but stuff like that. But mainly, I'm getting this box set up for. Well, here it is, purple primer. Yeah, when I glue pipes together, I always use this first, and then I apply the glue, and then I push it in, give it a quarter turn, and hold it all the way in for at least 10 seconds. So don't try to push out. So, yeah. And then that's what I call it, my irrigation box, because I just like heads like these I use like in the shrubs and stuff like that. Yeah. Well, there you have it. Like the video, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.